In this hall are traditional leaders in Nigeria with the aim to know their role in protecting and restoring the environment as they play pivotal roles in national development. Setting the tone for the event are some members of the Nigerian Conservation Foundation who not only speak on the essence of the event, but also on the environmental calamity faced by the world.
Our royal fathers are closest to the ground. They are everywhere where government or NGOs or private sector is not. They are highly respected, and we have been missing a trick by not harnessing their tremendous soft power. They have been influencers in the analog age, and they are still influencers in the digital age.
It is now very important to create too much more to create national awareness, do much more to mobilize our people nationally, from the peasant to the apex of government.
The Sultan of Sokoto is Eminence Mohammed Saad Abubakar, who is the guest lecturer here at the 18th Chief S.L. Edu Memorial Lecture, frowns at the injurious practices of citizens to the environment, which should have been controlled by the government through policies. He calls on traditional religious institutions and also the government in the fight against environmental degradation.
What the technical team can make their measurements, the supervision can best be done by traditional institutions, not only because of its presence, but also because of its knowledge of the term. There has to be a very clear political will by political leadership, which should be prepared to put the funds where their mouth is.
Buttressing the advice of the Sultan of Sokoto, the Lagos State Deputy Governor Dr. Obafemi Hamzat calls for a paradigm shift and a change in behavioral attitude of citizens to sustain the environment. He assures that the present administration will not rest in protecting the environment to make it livable for all.
It's the role of everybody. In fact, our imams must start to now preach it here on Fridays. How do we keep environment? Let's talk about what affects us. Our pastors must talk about it in churches. It's the intention of this government to lead the conversation. Some of it might be tough, but we must.
If Nigeria and other African countries, through better commitment and education, mobilize their citizens from the grassroots to the apex authority on the dangers of tree felling, deforestation, bush burning, and other hazardous factors of the ecosystem, then there is hope for tremendous improvement to helping to create not only a better Nigeria, but a better world. Olubukola Akin Koliosho, LTV News.